In this video, we are going to evaluate this definite integral. What I'm going to do in this case now, I'll try to reciprocate this denominator that I have, x raised to the 2/3. I'll now have x raised to the negative 2/3. That is, I've taken the denominator to the numerator, I've inverted it or reciprocate it. Integrate. So integrate means I will add 1 to the exponent of my base and divide by the new exponent, which is negative 2/3 plus 1. And that will now give me the integral from 1 to 8 to be equals to x raised to the positive 1/3 all over 1/3, right? When I simplify down here and here, it gives me 1/3 in both cases. If I change the format, I will arrive at having 3x raised to the 1/3 from 1 to 8, the integral. I will now plug my higher limit minus my lower limit, our lower limit from it. So that will now give us 3 times our upper limit raised to the 1/3 minus 3 times our lower limit. Upper limit, we know it is 8, we just put it in replace with x, and our lower limit is 1. To further simplify, we'll now have 3 times the cube root of 8. That's what this expression is trying to say. If you study your indices well, if you are lost at this place, please, or at this junction, if you get yourself twisted, please make sure you know your indices rules. Minus 3 times the cube root of 1. That will now give me the expression 3 times the cube root of 8 is 2. That means the number that multiplies itself 3 times to give me 8. That's 2 minus the cube root of 1 3 times, and which is 1. So if I simplify, 3 times 2 gives me 6 minus 3 times 1, 3, which gives me 6 minus 3 gives me 3. If you evaluate, you have 3 as your final answer. You need to keep track of that. This is the area under this curve. The area is 3.
Oluwa butter my bread, oh. Pick up, bless my hustle.